If you would like to purchase this product, use the product link in the description below. It will help support our channel. Or you can support us on patreon.com/simplyhamradio. Thank you. Okay, so we're listening to my All-Star node frequency 446-100. There's no activity on it now, so that's Killington UHF. So in order to act the FM radio, we're going to push and hold that. That puts us into VFO mode. Now we can go up and down. But if we give the pound symbol a second tap, that brings us into the memory channels. We can go through our memory channels we have programmed. Not a great receiver. Kind of tinny. Really no bass to it. But it would be something to listen to while you're out in the woods, camping, fishing, whatever you're doing, taking a break. But the good thing about that is if you listen to that radio station and the ham frequency or whatever programmed in that memory channel, that VFO mode comes alive, it drops it here and brings it back to the activity, whatever you had programmed into the radio. And then when that quiets back up, it comes back over to the radio mode. So it is a cool little feature. So in order to program in your FM radio program presets, you're going to have to open up the TYT programming software. Hopefully you got that already on the desktop or your laptop or something. Open it up. At the very bottom is radio. Click that and that comes up in the radio sys, which gives you the VFO mode. So for my default, I have 94.5. That's a local radio station. I threw some in around the North Country here, Vermont, a little bit in New York, New Hampshire, Maine. And I filled them up. Once you fill them up, hit enter at the bottom. Save. And then rewrite it to the radio. And if you watch how I did it in the beginning of this video, how to enable that, turn it on and off, you can go through and find your favorite radio stations and listen to the radio in between ham communications, public service, whatever you're listening to, in scan mode or whatever else. But hey, there you go. Hope it